Welcome back to RC Mag Controls, guys. In this video I'm going to be changing out the diff, centre diff on the BSR Berserker. Some of you may have seen one of our previous videos where I absolutely destroyed the 49 tooth diff. Now this is Hobby King's recommendation that you install the 49 tooth count diff and the 12 tooth pinion when you're running 6S. I've not been running that for now because that one's been broke. I have the parts and I'm hopefully going to replace all the parts in the 49 tooth diff count and get that back on, get the 12 tooth pinion on, and hopefully this will run a lot better now I've got all the new electrics as well. Just a quick rundown. We're using a Savox steering servo, which is a 50 kg. We've got at the moment the 46 tooth centre diff. I can't remember, I think it's a 22 or 23 tooth pinion, I think. We've got the Hobby Wing Schumacher edition ESC, which is 160 amp I think, and a 2200 kV motor to go with it. It's exceptionally quick. You may have seen in the last video we did, it blew out the front tyre, and they were brand new tyres as well. I've got some new tyres in order, which hopefully we'll be picking up this week, ready for the weekend's session, and they are belted. We'll do a little review on them for you and we'll post it out soon. But for now I'm going to get this diff out. I'm going to change that one, put the 49 tooth diff count in. I have been hearing a little bit of an odd noise recently as well on the last run out, and it's only happening under load, so when the car's on the road, if you hold it up and rev it, you can't hear anything. The minute you put it on the load, it's making a horrible grinding noise, so I'm assuming this diff is on its way out as well. But we're going to get the 49 tooth diff count in and we'll see where we go from there. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and we'll do another review once it's all together. Okay, so now I have the oil. I've gone for the Traxxas Diff Lube. It's a 10,000 weight. I'm going to be popping that into the 49 tooth centre diff, and hopefully we'll be putting this back together. We've got the 12 tooth pinion for the motor, and hopefully this should run a lot better and hopefully last a lot longer. So all I need to do is pop the plug off at the side and just pop some in there and just keep testing it. Okay, so I'm going to pop the diff and the pinion back on, and I'll come back to you as soon as that's done.